Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. Today we have just a little small project we're doing here. We got our kerosene heater and the igniter coil and it has gone bad, so we got our replacement here and we're just going to swap that out, and in case anybody had any issues with that, and just see what we're doing. This is a really old Kero-Sun heater, but really they haven't changed much in style. Very well packaged. I ordered this online. I think the Wicks and More, maybe the name of the company, but they pretty much have any of this kind of stuff you might need. Hopefully I can get it out without damaging it. Yeah, there we go. And here we go, wrapped up. But here we go. All I did was just, get the model number off my heater, which this one happens to be an Omni 105, and I actually still have the owner's manual, and it has the Wick part number in that. Not Wick, I'm sorry, Ignitor part number, but that's it right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's that little coil across there. That's not. First thing we got to do is take the batteries out. I used when I needed it and didn't have the coil, just one of those little fireplace lighters, along stick lighters, and that worked just fine. But they say that's harder on your wick, and so it can really reduce the wick life. And like I say, so this functioned just fine without it, but at the same time I kind of like things working the way they were meant to. 3 of these little screws on there, and then this should just lift off. All right, so here's our base. A little tilt switch on there. I should clean this while I have it. So the igniter is right down in the center here. There's a little pin on here, so I can take out and take this piece off so I can access it. And to get it out, you just grab it and turn it either direction. Push in just a little, it pops out there. So that's the old one. The spring's still there, the coil. It's just it looks a little worse for wear, and I'm thinking that's no problem. This new one is a little different. It I'll show it up there, but it is the same model number, but it has a little guard, so maybe that'll protect that coil a little better. This is the new one right here. So maybe it'll make things easier. That was easy, just pop right back in. While I got this apart, I'm just going to get a little bit of steel wool and clean some of the soot off of here, and then just put it back together the way I took it apart. That's it, guys. I'm gonna clean up. we're back. I didn't want to make this a fake video, so after I put the igniter in, I was still having issues, and I know the old igniter was bad because I actually damaged it messing with it, so I had to get a new one anyway. But after I put the new one in, I was still having issues with the with it actually lighting, with it glowing. And so it ended up that the battery, one of the battery terminals, the negative terminal, was corroded, and it wasn't actually even just where the batteries go, it was the connection. Apparently it had drained or whatever down inside there. So where these two, where that meets, and you still see it's in there, but it's because of that rubber coating, I couldn't get it off that well. And so I just did the best I could. We're using a toothpick and Q-tip and some white vinegar, and cleaned it up real good, and that did the trick. So we're back now and seem to be working. We'll just, before we put it back together, just we've got a good glow. So we are ready, back in operation. Thanks for watching, everybody. But I hope everybody has a great day, and come back and see us.